2001 Chevy Tahoe. And of course the phone rings. Anyways, 2001 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys, it's got a stock, well actually aftermarket converter there, and then a stock converter there. Then it winds into single. He didn't want duals, he wanted single. I don't blame him. Duals or single, we can do both. So we put a Flow FX. I'll get you guys the part number in a second. 2.5 or 3-inch tailpipe out the back into bolt-on 5-inch tip, black, right there. We just tacked it on the top to hold it in place, right there. 71229 is the part number on that Flow FX. 71229 is the part number on the Flow FX. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. There's a 3-inch tailpipe that we custom bent. There it is. That's not showing anything. Anyways, some technical difficulties as usual. It's raining. Who cares? Anyways, there it is. We told you the number. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in a minute. There's the Flow FX. What do you guys think? There's sound decibels. As if you guys don't want a lot of sound, just a nice deep tone, you get the full body Flow FX. That sounds pretty good. Go ahead and back it out. Sorry for the rain, guys. It's making the traffic loud. And good old Tennessee, man, it keeps growing by the day. So this traffic that you guys see here wasn't always like this. It's been crazy. It's okay though. We love it. We love Tennessee. So does everybody else. That's why everybody's moving here. That sounds good. See the three, between the combination of the 3-inch pipe, 5-inch tip, and the Flow effect gives it a really nice deep tone. That sounds good. What you guys hear on the inside? Perfect. Smooth, you know? Yeah. Enjoy it, guys. Tell him to get on it when he leaves. Appreciate it, homie. Enjoy it, man.
No problem.
Take
Thanks,
care.
Man.
Anytime. Chevy Tahoe with a Flow FX by FLOWMASTER.